Hey Tigers! Welcome to another Lincoln Virtual Assembly. We hope you are having fun in your classrooms, wearing your costumes and enjoying the Halloween festivities.
Speaking of Halloween, want to hear a Halloween joke?
Of course.
How do you fix a jack-o'-lantern?
How?
With a pumpkin patch.
Hilarious. My dad would like that one.
Hey, what song do vampires hate?
I don't know.
You Are My Sunshine.
Okay, something tells me you might be here all day if you aren't cut off. Could everyone stand in their rooms and recite the Pledge of Allegiance and Lincoln Belief Statement to kick off this assembly? The sixth graders will lead us.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me saying the belief statement. We believe Lincoln School is a safe and great place for learning. We'll show respect for school, others, and ourselves.
Nice job, sixth graders.
Hey, what is the first sign that your house is haunted? Oh, wait, it's you. Oops.
Not this again.
What is the first sign your house is haunted?
What?
Your sheets are missing.
That's great. First up today, sixth grade is going to show us what they've been up to in their classrooms. Take it away, sixth grade, before Patrick tells us another joke.
Who was the best dancer at the Halloween party?
Who?
The Boogeyman.
Craft a memorable lead.
Oh, go, Justice. I'm going country. You got Miley, I got D. We raced as fast as we could.
Your lead sets up the problem.
I slowly walked up to the diving board. More and more fear was filling me in each step. I felt as if every single person there was watching me, their eyes burning holes in the back of my head, like they were prepared to laugh at me if I showed any hesitation.
Help readers picture the episode, a small action dialogue.
Brother, look, slide. That's how he says slide. I'm so excited.
People, come on, I yelled, running down the hall. Wait there, my mom replied.
Build tension by slowing down the heart of the story.
About 20 minutes have passed and I hear a loud vroom. I knew it was my brother. He was riding his moped up the driveway from his friend's house. Once he walked into the door, he asked the same question I did. Did Ozzy not have surgery today? My dad told me and my brother to go sit down on the couch. Once he said that, it hit me. Something bad had happened to Ozzy.
Develop the relationships between characters.
I was silent the entire car ride, my lips in a tight line and my eyes glued to the window. I could see my mother glancing at me through the reflection of the stained glass window. Beyond the glass reflection, I saw the hospital. I shut my eyes tightly as millions of thoughts whirled around my head. Is Ken's badly hurt? Was I in trouble? And the worst of all, did Ken's hate me?
Organize with paragraphs
And horizontal lines.
or deeper into the gate. I discovered what kind of person I am. It was right there in front of me, but I was too busy looking that I couldn't see it. But there it was. For the first time in my entire life, I realized I was obsessed with rats. The day started off at a slow pace.
Use very short paragraphs for a dramatic effect.
You could hear the whistling wind going through the trees, making them go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Write with correct spelling and punctuation.
End the story
With a sense of closure.
So I've not worked on my ending yet.
I think you should write an ending that connects to what your story is really about.
Okay, thanks for the advice.
Began to approach their door, but I suddenly really did not want to do it. I quickly ran back to my porch feeling guilty and didn't do anything.
Ugh, my ending sucks. Let me see. Oh yeah, you need to revise that, Kate. What's revising?
First of all, it's revision, and second of all, it's when you look over your writing and you change it so that it's better than it was before.
Oh, so like editing?
Kind of, but it's more detailed.
Oh, so maybe you need to add some elaboration into that. What's elaboration? It means you need to like explain more what was happening instead of like you show more, not telling.
You need to be more descriptive.
Thanks.
Add more detail.
Do you think it's good now? That's better, but you should keep revising and do several drafts before you get to your real story. Okay.
We go every couple of months, and each time is different, but I love to be with my family.
Thank you, 6th graders.
And now first grade will teach us about the 7 habits.
What kind of underwear do mummies wear?
Patrick!
Today we're going to be teaching you about habit 2 and its beginning with the end in mind. Habit 2 means have a plan. First day of first grade, our goal was to read by ourselves for 10 minutes. We got to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Finally, we stopped our waiting muscles, and we built our stamina. I have a goal to be a 2nd grade reader. If we read more and more books, we will be ready for 2nd grade books. Is a baby cheetah. Look at the spots on the cheetah. The cheetah can hide in the grass. Word detective, I can notice a problem and have to solve it. To be a word detective, look closely from start to end to be a reader. Everything you know uses hard words. Be a word detective, I would do a long check under my word. Something that helps me read is focusing on the book. To get good at reading, I make a whole pile of books and read all. I read a lot so I can get ready to read chapter books.
Fruit of the tomb.
What?
A mummy's favorite kind of underwear is fruit of the tomb.
Oh boy. Time to announce some awards. Here's Mrs. Kowalski to share with us who won this month's Sportsmanship Award.
Congratulations, Tigers. And now for the K2 Specialist Award.
Why did the skeleton didn't go to the dance?
Don't tell me.
Because he had nobody to dance with.
I said don't tell me. I was thinking.
Oh, sorry.
And now our Safety Patrollers of the Month. And now, drum roll please. Mr. Ryan will announce the red ticket winners.
Tigers, I'm very excited to have our October red ticket drawing. Just like last month, I'm going to pull one ticket out of each grade level bucket and I will visit your class, and the winning ticket will roll a prize for their class. Here we go. I'm going to start with 6th grade this month. And the ticket I am pulling out of a lot of these tickets belongs to Reagan Didier in 5th grade. Emmett in 4th grade. I am pulling out Sophia in 3rd grade. I have pulled out Arlo's name. In 2nd grade, I have pulled out Fox. In 1st grade, oh, I lost a few. Sorry about that. I got excited. In 1st grade, I have pulled out Quentin. And in kindergarten, there's a lot of great tickets here, kindergartners. I am pulling out Jet. Congratulations to these 7 ticket winners. I will come see you next week.
You gotta fight for your right.
That's a wrap.
One last joke.
Alright.
What do you do when 50 zombies surround your house?
I don't know. You hope it's Halloween?
You hope it's Halloween. Oh, yeah, you got it.
Thanks for joining us today. Be safe out there trick-or-treating. Our next assembly is going to be ready for you at the end of November.
Thanks
for watching.